Imagine an animal with 3 hearts, blue blood, and arms that can think for themselves. Now, imagine it can change color in a fraction of a second, squeeze through a gap the size of a coin, and solve puzzles that confuse most mammals. This isn't science fiction, it's an octopus. And honestly, it shouldn't exist. Let's start inside. An octopus has 3 separate hearts. 2 of them pump blood to its gills, and the third pushes it to the rest of the body. And that blood? It's blue. Not a figure of speech, actually blue. Instead of iron, the way our blood uses it, octopus blood uses copper to carry oxygen. It's called hemocyanin, and it works better in cold, low-oxygen water, which is exactly where many octopuses live. Here's where it gets strange. 2/3 of an octopus's neurons aren't in its brain, they're in its arms. Each arm can taste, touch, and make decisions without checking in with the central brain. One arm can be solving a problem while another explores a rock. They're almost like 8 semi-independent creatures working together. One body, 8 minds. Octopuses can change the color and texture of their skin in less than a second. Thousands of tiny cells called chromatophores stretch and shrink to create patterns, stripes, spots, even mimicking the look of sand or coral. Some species can make their skin bumpy or smooth on command. The strange part? Most octopuses are colorblind. Scientists still aren't completely sure how they match colors they technically can't see. Octopuses have no bones. None. That means they can squeeze through any gap their beak can fit through, and the beak is the only hard part. Aquarium staff have documented octopuses opening jars from the inside, escaping their tanks, crossing the floor, entering other tanks to eat fish, and returning before anyone noticed. They've been seen stacking rocks to build shelters and using coconut shells as portable hiding spots. Now, this might sound like something from another planet, but octopuses aren't alien. They've been evolving on Earth for over 300 million years, long before dinosaurs showed up. They're just a reminder that intelligence doesn't always look the way we expect. Not every smart creature needs a spine or a big skull, or even a single brain. So the next time someone asks what the most unusual animal on Earth is, forget the deep sea, forget outer space. The answer is sitting in a tide pool, watching you with one eye, solving a puzzle with 3 arms, and thinking about dinner with the other 5. The octopus shouldn't exist, but it does. And that might be the most amazing thing about our planet.